Are you looking for the best cordless vacuums for pet hair? In this video we will look at some of the best cordless vacuums for pet hair. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Dyson V15 Detect. The best cordless vacuum for pet hair we've tested is the Dyson V15 Detect. This high-end stick vacuum does a fantastic job of handling pet hair on bare floors and low and high pile carpets. It comes with two floor heads, one with a bristled multi-surface roller with built-in vanes to trap pet hair and the other with a soft nylon roller, as well as a laser light to help you see fine strands of hair or small debris on hard floors. There are a few other handy attachments, like a miniature turbo brush and a combo upholstery tool / soft bristle brush, which are effective for tackling pet hair on cloth couches or chairs. It also features a built-in particle sensor that you can use to keep an eye on allergen quantities inside your home. Consider the Samsung Bespoke Jet if you're looking for a premium option that feels a little sturdier and is better suited to those with allergies. It's a little less maneuverable than the Dyson due to its bulkier twin-roller floor head. However, the Samsung comes with a rack station that sucks debris from the vacuum into an internally mounted dirt bag when it's docked. This means you won't have to worry about creating a plume of dust when emptying it. The most powerful intelligent cordless vacuum point superscript 1 with laser illumination. Engineered for whole home, deep cleans. Suction power, runtime and tools designed to deep clean your whole home. Engineered for homes with pets. Number 2. LG Cordzero A9. If you're shopping at a mid-range price point, the best cordless stick vacuum for pet hair is the A9 13BM variant of the LG Cordzero A9. It isn't as feature-packed as the Dyson V15 Detect, as it has no automatic suction power adjustment or built-in particle sensor. However, it's still remarkably well-equipped, cheaper, and perhaps most importantly, as effective in handling pet hair across different surface types. It also comes with a multi-surface floor head, which does a good job of dealing with pet hair on carpets and bare floors. The vacuum is fully compatible with LG's PowerDrive mop attachment, a purpose-designed floor head with a pair of rotating mop pads and a water dispersal nozzle to wet and scrub away dried-on stains, like dirt or mud, that your pet might track inside. Emptying the vacuum cleaner's dustbin can release a cloud of dust and debris, but the vacuum cleaner's HEPA filter helps trap common allergens as you clean. This model also comes with LG's unique Power Punch nozzle, which uses a vibrating component that rapidly taps the surface you're cleaning to shake out any fine particles embedded within the fabric. Powerful suction, built to last, the LG Smart Inverter motor provides powerful suction across a range of floor types and is backed by a 10-year limited warranty for lasting peace of mind. Number 3. Samsung Jet 60 Pet. The best stick vacuum for pet hair at a mid-range price point that we've tested is the Samsung Jet 60. This cordless vacuum feels a little less sturdily built than the LG Cordzero A9, and its max battery life is a little shorter, topping out just south of 50 minutes. Thankfully, it still does a pretty good job of clearing away pet hair, though, unlike the LG, you might still need to make an extra pass or two to collect shorter strands. This pet variant of the Jet 60 also comes with a miniature turbo brush that's very effective in dealing with pet hair on fabric, though it's a little bulky and unwieldy. The Samsung vacuum also features a 5-stage filtration system that's at least partially effective in keeping fine allergens sealed inside the dustbin. However, like any bagless vacuum, you'll need to be careful when emptying it out because it can release a cloud of fine dust and debris. Lean anywhere, easily, the 6 pounds lightweight design makes cleaning easy, maneuver to vacuum stairs, under sofas, and all the hard-to-reach places, also with a 180-degree swivel head, allowing the vacuum to change direction effortlessly. Number 4. Wise Cordless Vacuum. The best cordless stick vacuum for pet hair at a budget-friendly price that we've tested is the Wise Cordless Vacuum. This cordless stick vacuum does a decent job of handling pet hair on hard-to-clean surfaces like low-pile carpet, though a second pass might be needed to get everything. Long hair can get tangled around its bristled brush roll, but thankfully, the roller is fully removable, so you can clean it without too much effort. Unfortunately, its straight suction upholstery tool isn't all that effective for dealing with pet hair on fabric surfaces, and its crevice tool is too small to be practical for cleaning things like couch cushions. If you have a long-haired cat or dog who likes to lounge around on your couch, purchasing the mini motorized tool from Wise's website is best. The Wise's build quality is less sturdy than the pricier Samsung Jet 60. That said, its max runtime of about an hour is comparable to that of the higher-end Samsung. As light as a feather, the Wise cordless vacuum weighs in at just 2.8 pounds, it's so lightweight that it can reach everywhere in the house. Despite this light weight, it doesn't skimp on power. 20,000 Pascal suction power. Wise Stick Vacuum Cleaner offers 3 suction levels: Eco, Medium, and Turbo. Turbo mode has the most suction power, 20,000 pascals, for intensive spot cleaning. Medium mode balances suction power, 9,000 pascals, and battery life. Eco mode offers the longest battery life for big jobs, 6,000 pascals. Easy to use with crystal clear screen, the Wise cordless vacuum is easy to set up and use. You just unbox the unit and its accessories, then plug it in and wait for it to charge. While charging, the screen shows the current battery percentage level. No more guess game about the battery life, power mode, and vacuum performance.